What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are taking a look at some Mi Band 3 bands or straps. We unboxed the Mi Band 3 a while back and it's a great product. I'll leave a link to that video down below so you can check it out. This one actually is the Mi Band 3 with NFC. Now the NFC features are strictly only in China right now, so it's not something I would recommend anybody in the West to purchase. But if you are in China, there are a lot of places where this is actually compatible. Definitely check that out. I'll leave a link down below for this. But for now, we're gonna take a look at these bands. I'm gonna unwrap all these real quick. All right, so these ones are more of like a sports or casual style band, but they're very heavy duty. They're made out of very tough rubber, but they come in a lot of really cool colors. Pink and gray, was it like some kind of neon and black, gray and black, red and black, gray and green, orange and gray. It's super simple to change out. All you gotta do is pop out the actual brain of the Mi Band and then pop it right into another one. Bam. There we go. Now, the watch that I'm actually wearing is a Xiaomi brand watch. This is the Amazfit Pace. This is so far my favorite Xiaomi watch. I will also leave a link down below to my unboxing video of this. There we go. Definitely super simple to change out. They're made of mostly like a very stiff rubber. They do loosen up over time as you use them. They've got your typical metal buckle on here. Now again, there are a ton, and I mean a ton, of different styles that you can go with. You can go with more casual ones. You can go with more businessy looking ones. They even have bands that are like metal, like traditional watches. But nonetheless, any band that you actually go with is extremely easy to swap them out just on the fly. You could have tons of these. They're dirt cheap. These ones are, I think, $4 a piece. Yeah, I think for the Mi Band 2, we looked at some bands as well. So if you don't have a Mi Band 3 and you have a Mi Band 2, I'll also leave a link down below of the video that I unboxed a bunch of bands for that as well. Personally, I think that the Mi Band is probably the best fitness tracking watch on the market. Definitely worth checking it out. I think the Mi Band 3 without the NFC, I think that one's only like 30 bucks. Again, check out the links down below for the unboxing of the Mi Band 3 and the Mi Band 2, also the Mi Band 2 bands. Definitely go check those out. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.